Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I post weekly tech content, so there's always something fresh and exciting to check out. Today we're looking at the Dell Inspiron 147440 2-in-1. I picked this up as a Christmas gift to myself, and honestly, I am super excited to share my thoughts on it. With the new year coming up, I'm gearing up to kick off a new career in IT. So I needed a laptop that could keep up with my goals. My old laptop, let's just say it's no longer cutting it anymore. After a lot of research, I decided on the 7440 2-in-1. It hits that sweet spot between price and performance, which make a good option for students like myself. So let's get started, take a closer look, and see how can we step up our laptop game. First, let's talk about the design, and I have to say I really like it a lot. It is simple, professional, sleek, with a impressive, sturdy build. The aluminum chassis feels premium, and there's no noticeable flex, which is always a sure sign of solid craftsmanship. One of the favorite features has to be the 360-degree hinge. It lets you easily switch between laptop, tent, stand, and tablet modes, offering both versatility and style. Whether you're watching a movie, giving a presentation, or taking notes, the design adapts to your needs. At 14 inches, the screen size strikes a perfect balance between portability and usability. Now, it's not the lightest laptop in its class, coming in at about 3.5 pounds, but it is compact enough to toss into a backpack and take it on the go. Overall, the design really nails the basics while adding just enough flair to stand out in the crowded 2-in-1 market. That said, there's one thing that bothers me, which I'm not completely sold on: tablet mode. It's functional, sure, but using it like a traditional tablet is a little bit awkward. The 14-inch size and 3.5 pound weight make it a bit cumbersome to hold for long periods of time. For occasional use, it's fine, but if you're planning to use it primarily as a tablet, it's not the most comfortable option for extended use. This laptop features a 14-inch Full HD touchscreen display with a 1980 by 1200 resolution and a 16:10 aspect ratio. The narrow bezels make the visuals pop with vivid colors that looks amazing for streaming, browsing, or working indoors. However, when you step outdoors, the screen does struggle a bit in direct sunlight, so that's something to keep in mind if you're always on the go. One of the coolest features, the touchscreen is super responsive and even supports an active pen. Whether you're a student taking notes or a creative working on sketches, this display got you covered. Let's talk performance. This model packs the new Intel Core 7 150U processor with integrated Intel Iris Xe graphics and 16 gigs of RAM. For everyday tasks, browsing, streaming, and even doing some lightweight photo editing, no sweat. Now, if you're thinking about pushing it with heavier tasks such as video editing or gaming, it can handle it, but don't expect ultra smooth performance. After all, this laptop is not built like that. In my experience, multitasking was impressively smooth. At one point, I had a few Chrome tabs open, Spotify streaming in the background, and I was editing a document, all with zero lag. That's the type of reliability I need for school and work. Overall, for a mid-range 2-in-1 laptop, the performance punches above its weight for most day-to-day tasks. Now let's talk about battery life. Dell claims you can get up to 10.5 hours on a single charge. But in the real-world testing I've done, it's more closer to 6 hours with mixed use. That's a combination of streaming videos, browsing the web, and tackling some light productivity tasks. It's not the best battery out there, but it is respectable for a 2-in-1 in this price range. The good news is it charges quickly thanks to the included 65-watt USB-C charger. In just about an hour, it can go from 0 to almost 80%, which is perfect for those of us on the go. Whether you're in a long meeting or a coffee shop work session, that fast charging feature can really save the day. So while it's not an all-day battery, it is solid enough to get you through most day-to-day tasks quickly without any interruptions. Now let's talk about ports, because connectivity is always a key consideration. The Inspiron 14 comes with a solid selection. 2 USB-C Thunderbolt 4 ports for fast data transfers and charging. 2 USB-A ports for your older devices. And HDMI 1.4 port for connecting external displays. And a standard SD card reader, which is great for photographers and creators on the go. It is a well-rounded setup that should cover most users' needs. Let's talk audio and video. The speakers, they are decent for casual listening, whether you're watching YouTube or streaming your favorite shows. But like most laptop speakers, they lack the bass depth, so don't expect a rich audio experience. Now for the webcam, this actually surprised me. It has a 1080p sensor and the video quality is sharp and clear, perfect for Zoom calls or online classes, paired with the dual array microphones, which do a great job at reducing background noise. You got a setup that's perfect for hybrid work or study environments, whether you're working from home or just catching up with friends. This laptop delivers solid performance for videos without the need of external webcam or microphone. Finally, let's talk about one of the most important parts of any laptop, the keyboard and the trackpad. Starting with the keyboard, it is pretty comfortable typing experience. The keys have a nice tactile feel with just the right amount of travel, so you don't feel like you bottom out the keys while typing. Plus, they are backlit, which is a win for those late night work sessions. Typing on this keyboard feels smooth and responsive, and I had no issues typing out long documents or emails. If you're a student or someone who spends a lot of time typing, this keyboard definitely gets the job done. Now, moving on to the trackpad. Dell has done a good job here. It's a precise trackpad, so it supports all the usual Windows gestures, 2-finger scrolling, pinch to zoom, and more. The surface is smooth and accurate, and I didn't experience any lag or misclicks during my testing. It also generously sized, which is a great plus for multitasking, whether you're editing, browsing, or navigating your apps. The trackpad can handle it all effortlessly. The clicking mechanism is satisfying and constant and not mushy. So what is the verdict? The Dell Inspiron 147440 2-in-1 starts off around $500, depending on the configuration, though it's often available at a discounted price on sale or directly through Dell's website. I picked mine up at Best Buy for $650, tax included. That's a good price. You're getting highly versatile 2-in-1 laptop with solid performance, a premium aluminum build, and an impressive touchscreen. Whether you're a student, a professional, or simply someone who values flexibility, this laptop is worth consideration. I'm happy with it. It checks all the boxes for me. I have no issues. I'm able to run things on it that I couldn't do on my old laptop.
Thank you for watching. Hope you found the information in this video useful.
If you did, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell and share this video with anyone who can benefit. But if I missed something, dislike this video and leave a comment letting me know what I did wrong. I welcome constructive criticism. Also, you can follow me on social medias at tekminute.